Hello, so if you can solve this, you can solve any question on Java streams. Find the frequency of bigram in a paragraph. So let's say you have this particular paragraph over here, which says Java is great and Java is fun and Java is powerful. Bigram is basically a combination of two subsequent words. For example, Java is, this is one bigram, is great is another bigram, then great and is another bigram, and Java is another bigram, and so on, right? And we want to find the count of it. For example, Java is being repeated 3 times over here. Frequency of Java is going to be 3. Now how we can solve this by using Java streams? So here is basically the approach we are going to follow. So let's say we have a paragraph, we can just normalize it. We will convert it to lowercase, we'll remove punctuation and stuff. After that, we will split the paragraph into words, array of words basically like this. Once we do that, we can just generate bigrams. Once we have this particular pairs, we can just go ahead and apply grouping by and counting on this particular list, and we will get the count of each bigram over here. So if I go back over here, this is basically the overall implementation. So here in this particular part, we are just normalizing it and splitting it by using spaces and creating a list of words over here. It is basically array of words over here. Once we do that, we are just making use of int stream and creating bigrams in this particular chunk of code. After that, once we get the bigrams, we are just applying grouping by over here by using function.identity and collectors.counting and creating this particular map. And once I run this code, you will see that we are getting this particular respective count, and here is basically the count of Java is, which is 3. Now this is a very brief explanation. If you want to understand it in more detail, then I have covered it in this particular YouTube video. You can just go ahead and check it out. Comment link in comment section to get the link of this video in your DM.